It's our last day in Alaska and Luke's not facing the camera. We gotta drop our bags off at the other room. And then we'll go outside and do so much activities. It's a lot colder than yesterday.
Oh, my friend's not here.
Your friend?
Yeah, the ice cream girl. I wanted some ice cream.
Finding out what we're doing for breakfast is becoming quite the struggle. You hear that?
Look.
The key to success is flexibility. The key to flexibility is stretching, probably. It happens.
All over, dude.
Like I care. This is Alaska. It's not like we're gonna come back. Well, at least not for a while. Yeah, in 30 years. No one's gonna remember some kid with a failed YouTube channel in 30 years. After all that walking to get to where we wanted to go, the wait was too long. So now we're going somewhere else. Go ahead, Luke.
No.
Why are you gonna punch me?
See that? I cannot disclose that part.
Come on, Luke.
No, I'm not
Give it a test ride.
I just did, and I'm not gonna do it now because you're gonna record it.
We're doing bike rental. I'm putting the camera away so that we can actually like ride and stuff, so probably see you when the bike ride's over. May take some shots in the middle. I don't know. Bye. Luke has a visor and I don't. It makes me so sad. For the bike ride, I'm just gonna film on the phone because bringing out the big camera is too much of a pain. This view though is just like crazy.
Those big mountains over there, that's not.
I don't know if you can see the mountains. I promise they're out there. Luke's taking a bit to get here. You know, slowly but surely. Alright, here he comes. Almost there. And there he goes. Okay. Luke learned the valuable lesson of keep your mouth closed. How was that mosquito, Luke?
Oh, gross!
Oh, that's funny. That's funny stuff. Woo!
Fucking hell, dude.
Nice hair.
Oh, did it mess up?
We got a little wet. We did not make it past the rain. Okay, Luke, get in the shot.
True.
Update since the bike ride. We had a bite to eat. We went and saw Spider-Man Homecoming. Great movie, by the way. And now we're going to the airport. We're leaving. It's 10:20 at night. Our flight is 12:30 in the morning on Sunday. It's Saturday right now. And Luke is not in dress code. If you're a non-rev, aka flying standby, you need to be wearing pants and a collared shirt, and Luke is... Well,
dude,
Luke got the collared shirt going for him.
I didn't until like
yay.
5 minutes ago,
But
so that's
no
my
pants.
life right now.
No pants. Goodbye to the fabulous cold weather. We gotta go back to the gross, hot, sticky Des Moines weather. But I mean... Oh well. Dude, this lighting makes me look so gross.
Yep.
got patted down.
Yeah, my pants were wet.
Oh, dude, look, 747. Dude. Problem with 747s is that it's very profitable to move cargo with them.
But not people.
Yeah, not so much to move people. Luke had TSA pre-check the whole time, and he went through normal security, which was like 20 minutes longer, and he didn't have to.
Entire flight crew, thank you for flying to friendly skies with us. We hope you have had a pleasant experience.
Luke knows he has TSA pre this time. He's not going to spend an extra 20 minutes waiting in line. Very last flight, going back home. Goodbye Alaska, goodbye Chicago. It's kind of cool. We thought you'd have a sign.
I bailed.
Wait, so you were planning on having a sign?
I knew it. I told you I knew it.
So thank
It's a
you.
good score.
Ready for the outro? 3 days of travel, finally back home.
Technically 4 days of travel because you left on Thursday. And
You're ruining
Okay,
it.
4 days of travel,
4 days.
sure. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you want to share this video with a stranger, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. See you tomorrow.
Beat you to it.
Here's the thing, I own the camera, so I can just like...
And I remember all the times I'd ignore my cues. Either let it pass by or talk too soon. That's the thing about dreams, they don't all come true. But I won't let a little rain spoil my view. I guess it's growing up, I caught those blues. Wish the floor would open and I fall right through. Switch skies, riptides, any shore would do. And somewhere over the Atlantic